Welcome.
भूमिकामा रहनेछु आशा छ यहाँहरूको सहयोग र सद्भाव रहनेछ Before we begin, a special request to all present here to activate the silent or vibration mode in your mobile phones. Thank you. Celebrating 21 years, glorious years, Rotary Club of Viratnagar downtown continues to make a profound impact on our community, touching countless lives with the spirit of service and compassion, and continues to shine as the district's best club. To invite our chief guest, District Governor for the Rotary year 26-27, Rotarian Vishnu Bahadur Karki, to kindly grace the dais. Sir, we are deeply honored by your esteemed presence. Rest. Please take your seat on the dais. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence.
Thanks.
May I call upon our President, Rotary year 25-26, Rotarian Girija Sada, to assume her place on the dais. Now I 26-27, Rotarian Soni Devatia, all to rise in the honor of our national anthem. For distinguished guests. Surendra Golshaji, kindly please come forward. Spouse of our and children, Dheeraj, Anu. We would also like to, may I request Mr. R.K. Golshaji kindly come forward and sit. Request and law. Thank you for being here, ma'am. District officers, Kamal Agrawal ji, I can see you. Thank you for being here. Regional Secretary for Region 7, Rotarian Marmani Pokril ji, thank you for being here. On your amazing tenure, please come forward and address the gathering.
Karmasu Kaushala. Excellence in every action is the perfect योग और काम करना ही होता है. अगर आप एक्शन कर्मा में नहीं लाएंगे तो आगे बढ़ना मुश्किल है. Respected District Governor, distinguished guests, fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, partners, friends, and my extended Rotary family. Someone beautifully said, gratitude is not only the greatest virtue, but the parent of all others. And today, if one emotion overpowers every other emotion in my heart, it is gratitude. 1 year ago, I stood here with dreams in my eyes and faith in my heart. Today, as I stand here preparing to hand over, Sarita Bhavi is smiling, yes. So today, as I prepare to hand over the collar, I stand here with countless memories, deep satisfaction, and a heart full of thankfulness. सफर खूबसूरत था, मंजिल से भी ज़्यादा. This year, together, we completed more than 100 service projects, touched over 22,000 lives, created an impact of nearly 1.6 crore, implemented meaningful partnerships with organizations that believed in our dreams. But friends, अगर आप मुझसे पूछें कि इस वर्ष की सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि क्या रही, तो मेरा उत्तर होगा लोग. People who stood by me, people who trusted me, people who made impossible things possible. साथीहरू, कुनै पनि ठुलो कार्य एक्लैले सम्भव हुँदैन. कुनै पनि एक ठुलो कार्य एक्लै सम्भव हुँदैन. धेरै हातहरू जोडिँदा मात्रै परिवर्तनको यात्रा सुरु हुन्छ. People often congratulate me for the year we had, but the truth is this was never my year. It was our year. To my board members, committee chairs, fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, I can see a lot of them and they participated in many activities with us. And every member who gave their time, ideas and energy. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Every project we completed and every life we touched was the result of our collective effort. But perhaps an even bigger shout out belongs to those who believed in us, those who said, yes, we trust you, those who partnered with us, those who supported our dreams, because achievements are built not only by those who work, but also by those who believe. I fondly remember late PDG Santosh Rijal today as a guardian, a guide and a mentor who always said, Girija, go ahead, you can do it. This is the same hall where I was attending a CNI meeting, I being a VP for CNI. He was standing at that place. He took me on a corner and told, Girija, you have so much to do. Don't sit quiet, you have to do it. So I would fondly want to remember and tell you, Swecha, you had a great dad. I bow in gratitude to all our partners and supporters. Current Noodles, Kamal Kishorji Malpani, Shikhar Insurance, MetLife Insurance, Lakshmi Sunrise Bank, Aarti, Shivam Cement, Raghunandanji Maru, Toyota Nepal, Ritu Singh Bedya, Chaudhary Foundation, Ratni Devi Kabra Trust from Mumbai, Budi Ganga Gaon Palika, Mayor Jeet Narayan Gachadar, Viratnagar Mahanagar Palika, Mayor, Deputy Mayor and the team, RC Viratnagar Fusion, they are not our parents but our sponsored clubs, so like children to us, but then they supported in every way they could do. Assistant Kamal Agarwal ji, Kamal ji, you had been our assistant governor and since then you've been supporting us. And Maheshwari Mahila Manch Viratnagar, I had to write down every name so that I don't forget. I'm I'm sorry, I have to keep reading. And none other than our Assistant Governor for this year, Vinod Agarwal ji, who not only supported throughout the year, today also he's back with a check. Girija ji, wale tapai ko lagi check bana ko cha. 100 rupees per day is not a big deal. I was saying, why do you have to give it now? He's like, I want to do it, but don't announce it from the mic. I'm really sorry, I couldn't stop myself. So he supported our CP center again today. He says 100 rupees a day, and 2 years he wants to support Sarita Bhabhi's tenure and my tenure, both tenures. Thank you so much. सभी का विश्वास, क्योंकि आपने विश्वास किया कि हम कर सकते हैं, और जब भी हमने go ahead, we believe in you, so आपका विश्वास हमारी पूंजी रहा, और विश्वास से बड़ा दान शायद कुछ और नहीं हो सकता, because you give many a times but you don't be able to believe whether they'll make use of it in a proper way or not. So विश्वास को दान शायद सबै भन्दा ठुलो दान हुन्छ. तपाईहरुले हामीमाथि गरेको विश्वासलाई हामीले अझ धेरै ऊर्जा गर्न ऊर्जा दियो. And if there is one thing I take away from this year, it is when people believe in each other, service becomes limitless. So that you could see how we could achieve so many projects. It's only the reason why, like Mother Teresa said, I can do things you cannot, you can do things that I cannot, and together we can do great things. To my family, yes, my family is right. Some on the side, Priya is there, Anu is there, Yash is there. Means most importantly, the youngest member of my family is here. चमक अगर मुझ में दिखी तो उसकी रोशनी इन्हीं अपनों से आई. There were moments of doubt, but there was never a moment when I felt alone, because not just my club, my family, but Viratnagar city, everybody was there standing with me to do what I wanted to do. Because आप लोगों ने कभी अकेले चलने ही नहीं दिया, रास्ते बदलते गए, मंजिलें मिलती गई और कारवां बनता गया. As one chapter closes, another begins. My heartiest congratulations to my dear friend and best wishes to our incoming president, Sarita Golsha and her team. Robin ji le ishara garnecha mo banichu. Yes, you're there in the team. Leadership changes, but love, fellowship and service remains constant. Please know that though not, my commitment would remain the same. जहाँ भी, जिस भी रूप में, जब भी आपको जरूरत होगी, I'll be right there, standing behind you like a rock. Whenever needed, just give a call. I'm a call away. I assure our incoming team my complete support, because success in Rotary is never mine. It is always ours. And finally, like Srimad Bhagavad Gita says, one who does good never truly loses. Thank you for giving me one of the most fulfilling year and a journey of my life. हम साथ चले, हम साथ सीखे, हम साथ मिलकर उम्मीदें जगाई. Thank you and thank you once again, Jai Rotary. Thank you for the check.
Service, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome you to all for the 22nd installation ceremony. It is my privilege and honor to present the Secretary's report for the Rotary year 2025-26, highlighting all the club activities and updates. Let's have a glimpse of all the activities done in the Rotary year 2025-26.
Various fellowships like houses meeting, Datta fellowship, peace fellowship, holy fellowship, aimed at creating lasting impact and empowering community. Our service has begun with the highly successful Rotary presence, which provided a vibrant platform for women entrepreneurs and local artisans to showcase their products and services. The fair featured 37 stalls that attracted more than 3,000 visitors, stimulating local economic Under charity of change initiatives, voting and constitutional rights are organized allowing underprivileged individuals to choose those of their preference. The organic farmers market connected producers directly with the consumer. 25 large umbrellas were distributed to support women street vendors. Advanced children's training was conducted for 42 participants across 2 centers in Buriganga, Rampali. An electrical appliance.
Thank you, Secretary Poonam. It was such a wonderful. Thank you. She is wife of Rotarian Surendra Bocha ji, an industrialist, blessed with 3 children. Welcome Rotarian Sarita Bocha. Kindly come at the dais. The symbol of power and authority. The charter, the birth certificate of our club.
Actually, सबैले ताली बजाइदिनु
Sarita Bocha,
Do solemnly pledge
do solemnly pledge
that I will
that I will
faithfully execute
faithfully execute
the duties of
the duties of
the office of President
the office of President
of Rotary Club Viratnagar Downtown,
of Rotary Club of Viratnagar Downtown,
and that I will,
and that I will,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
support District Governor.
support District Governor,
Your name is- Your name is-
District Governor, District Vishnuji, Parish Kargi,
and
and
Rotary International,
Rotary International,
and that I will
and that I will
uphold the Constitution
uphold the Constitution
and bylaws of this club.
and bylaws of the state.
Many congratulations.
Thanks.
Congratulations, President.
Assistant Governors, Rotarian Vinod Agarwal ji, and Assistant Governor, Rotarian Robin Shrestha ji, Presidents and members of Rotary Clubs, distinguished guests, family members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and a very warm welcome to you. It is with deep gratitude and humility that I accept the responsibility of serving as president of my club for the Rotary year 2026-27. I promise to lead with sincerity, openness and dedication. I sincerely thank my fellow members for placing their trust in me. I'm fortunate to be surrounded by a dedicated board, committee chairs and wonderful members who are ready to work with me. I would like to congratulate our outgoing President Girija and Secretary Poonam and the entire board of 2025-26 for their outstanding work. They have raised our downtown club to even greater heights. A big thanks to all my past presidents for the strong foundation they have built, and I hope to make them proud of what we achieve in the coming year. Our club is also truly blessed with outstanding leaders. This year, several of our past presidents are serving as key district positions. They are the gems of our club and their achievements make us proud. Guided by this year's Rotary theme, Create Lasting Impact, my service goals will be aligned with the goals of the district. The main area of focus will be maternal and child health, protecting vulnerable girls, disease prevention, eye care, education, women's empowerment and environment. I am happy to share that our signature project, the CP Daycare Center at Ikarani Village, is running smoothly in our own building which we have built, bringing hope and support to children with cerebral palsy and their families. Throughout the Rotary year, I will strive to work actively in all 5 avenues of service, achieve our district goals, support the Rotary Foundation, and strengthen the public image of Rotary through meaningful service and community engagement. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my Golcha family and to my parents. My mother has traveled all the way from London to be here. A very special thanks to my husband Surendraji, my constant pillar of strength, always encouraging and inspiring me to do my best. To my children, they are the love of my life. Your encouragement and their celebration, they celebrate my milestone as well as their milestones, so it's wonderful. To all my dear friends who are here, family members, dear friends, they're here to cheer me, and I love them being here. Thank you so much. And I request them to come forward as I call on their names. Charter President, Rotarian Dr. Mamta Verma. President 2526, Girija Shah. President nominee, Rotarian Santosh Agarwal. Secretary, Rotarian Kusum Dunia. Secretary-elect, Rotarian Mukta Kodi. Club Admin Chair, Rotarian Poonam Rathi. Club Membership Chair, Rotarian Sanchita Jain. Club Service Project Chair, Rotarian Santosh Rathi. Club Public Image Committee Chair, Rotarian Namita Tibrewal. Club TRF Chair, Rotarian Poonam Rathi. Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Savita Danawar. Club Mentor, Rotarian Virti Kodi. Editor, Rotarian Pragati Rizal. Webmaster, Rotarian Anushada. Do solemnly pledge that I will fulfill the duties of my office in the Rotary Club of Ratnagar Downtown to the best of my ability. Thank you.
You know, I'm not prepared actually. The environment is such a strong key that I'm prepared myself. You know, I'm so confident to talk in front of you. I'm really very happy and grateful to my district governor and my president. कि मलाई जुन ट्रस्ट गर्नुभएको छ यस्तो क्लबमा चाहिँ एज एन असिस्टेन्ट गभर्नर चाहिँ मलाई जुन वेलकम गर्नुभएको छ द्याट वाज रियली वन्डरफुल फर मी. You know, 21 वर्ष भयो रोटरी क्लब विराटनगर डाउनटाउनको हिस्ट्री. तर I was, 25 years back, I was already a Rotarian for this club. For this club as an assistant governor. You know why? 25 years ago, even I was not a Rotarian. So today I am so blessed with this club. Isto members को, बीचमा चाहिँ म रोटेरियन्स भएर अहिले असिस्टेन्ट गभर्नर भएर उभिन पाउँदाखेरि I'm really grateful. So 25 years को कथा के हो त तपाईँलाई म भनिदिइहाल्छु. She remained I have lost my mom, but she is my next mom. तपाईँहरूको क्लबको चार्टर प्रेसिडेन्ट. I want to make a huge Mamta Verma is my, the next mom because she blessed me. मलाई त्यो 25 वर्ष अगाडिको जुन इन्भाइरोमेन्ट
English, Hindi, French and Russian. He has dedicated over 25 years to the hospitality and business sector while earning immense respect through this professionalism, integrity and leadership. Beyond business, his passion for sports is equally inspiring. A black belt, 3rd dan in karate with more than 4 decades of experience. He has played a significant role in various national organizations. His Rotary journey is a remarkable example of commitment and served in numerous leadership positions, including Charter President of Rotary Club of Baneswar, Advisor in District Program Committee, Advisor District RI Programs, Assistant Governor, Chair of several district committees, District Governor-elect and now District Governor. No Horn campaign, touching thousands of lives through Rotary
service. Behind this inspiring leader stands an equally inspiring family. Their late grandfather, Captain Jhamka Bahadur Karkiju, was a warrior in the Second World War, and late father Sambhu Bahadur Karkiju was a member of the Panchayat Niti Tatha Jantput Samiti. Our DG Vishnuji lives in Kathmandu.
Many Rotary clubs and protractors interaction with everyone. Because we talk in the district office also, we talk a lot about your club and your members. How can these people in 365 days and all women, God, how can they manage their time to work so hard? You hardly have 200 days out of 365 days. And in 200 days, probably you have done 200 projects or more. Wow. It's hard to believe, but it has happened. We have seen it. अस्ति भर्खरै पनि भएको हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्ट अवार्ड्समा it's been proved, तपाईँले प्रुभ गरेर देखाउनु भएको छ since so many years, but even I'm talking about just 2 days back. Girija Sardaji and entire team, तपाईँ एकचोटि उठ्दिनुहोस् न. Wonderful. Listen, उहाँहरूबाट सिक्ने चिजहरू धेरै छन्. अरू क्लब यहाँ I can see more than 10 clubs they have participated in this program today. यो नै गिरिजाजी तपाईलाई र हाम्रो सरिताजीलाई मन पराएर डाउनटाउन रोटरी क्लब विराट डाउनटाउनलाई ए राम्रो काम गरेको छ. वी हेभ टु सपोर्ट देम, वी हेभ टु गो एन्ड इन्स्पायर हैन विथ देयर प्रेजेन्स भनेर तपाईलाई सपोर्ट गरेर माया गरेर आउनुभएको छ. हेर्नुस् कस्तो हुन्छ भने तपाईले कति गेस्टहरू बोलाउनुहुन्छ नि, गेस्टहरू गएन भने के हो, रमाइलो भएन. सो जब बोलाएको गेस्टहरू सबै आइदिनु हो भने that's the thing that's what you have achieved. साँच्चीकै यति राम्रो काम गर्नु भएको छ तपाईहरुले र त्यही तपाईको राम्रो काम र एप्रिसिएसन सबै हामीले जे देख्यौं रिजल्ट ओरिएन्टेड काम गर्नु भएको छ. टु द नीडी पिपल इन द कम्युनिटीज you clearly mentioned that you've touched more than 22,000 lives. यो त कसरी गर्न सक्छ एउटा क्लबले 1 वर्षभित्रमा यति धेरै कामहरू भनेर म तपाईहरुको यही कामहरूलाई देखेर यही प्रोग्रामको लागि भनेर म आएँ. एन्ड थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर ह्याभिङ मी. मैले यो त छोड्नै हुँदैन, तपाईहरुको क्लबमा आउनै पर्छ. इभन फर 1 घण्टा. प्रेसिडेन्ट 25-26 गिरिजा सारदाजी and first gentleman, Mr. Sarda, President, newly installed President, of course, Sarita Gulchaji and Surenji, Assistant Governors, I can see many Assistant Governors here, so fellow Rotarians, Rotractors, Interactors, and guests and family members. Namaste and good evening once again. I don't know what to say because this club has made me speechless. There's so many clubs, even district, we need to learn so many things from your club. And some more, right now. Tara, I feel blessed, I'm honored and privileged to be here today in front of all of you. मलाई अलिकति पनि नराम्रो लाग्दैन. म आउ बी मोर देन ह्याप्पी टु बी हियर टुडे. जति घन्टा पनि म तपाईहरुसँग साथ दिनलाई बस्नलाई तयार छु. आउने बेलामा पनि एयरपोर्टबाट आउनु पाएको छैन, रेस्ट गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ कि जीवनलाई भिजिट साइट्स अब हामी जुन प्रोजेक्टहरू हामी नजिक गरेका छौँ देखाउन चाहँदै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. मैले भने म आम हियर तपाईहरुकै लागि नै आएको हो, मलाई कुनै रेस्ट चाहिँदैन, प्लेनबाट आएको छु, मलाई आम नट टायर्ड, लेट्स गो भने तपाईहरुको सिग्नेचर प्रोजेक्ट सेभरल पोलिसीमा हामी गएर सबै भिजिट गराइदिनु भयो. गिरिजाजीले सरिताजीले हामी सँगै गएर सबै भिजिट गऱ्यौँ. ग्रेट थिङ्स यु डन. त्यसपछि टोयलेट प्रोजेक्टहरू हेऱ्यौँ, त्यसपछि अम्ब्रेलाहरू जुन स्ट्रिटमा दिएको जुन भेन्डर्सहरूलाई अम्ब्रेलाको पनि फोटोहरू खिच्यौँ, मैले हेरेँ। साइनेजहरू ठाउँ ठाउँमा कति राम्रोसँग लोगोहरू छ, पब्लिक इमेज, रोड इमेज कति राम्रोसँग तपाईँले चाहिँ राख्नु भएको छ, हाइलाइट गर्नुभएको छ। यो सबै कुराहरू हामी यहाँ आउने अरू क्लबहरूले पनि सिक्नु पर्यो। र वाट आई वान्ट सेयर, आई वान्ट रिक्वेस्ट यु स्पेसली रोटरी क्लब थाउजन्ड एन्ड टिम इज, तपाईँले त गर्नुभयो भयो, अब अरू क्लबलाई पनि सिकाइदिनुहोस्। अब अरू क्लबलाई पनि 3-4वटा क्लबलाई कुनै पनि प्रोजेक्टमा इन्भल्भ गरेर इन्गेज गराइदिनुहोस्। त्यसो गऱ्यो भने उहाँहरूले पनि सिक्नुहुन्छ र पछि उहाँहरू आफैले पनि त्यो काम गर्न सकेर अरू क्लबहरूलाई पनि साथ दिएर अगाडि बढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ। सबैको आफ्नो बुद्धि, विवेक, क्षमता बेग्ला बेग्लै हुन्छ। हामीले कम्पेयर कसैसँग गर्नु हुँदैन। 1 जुलाईपछि त मैले केही गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्दैन। It will go smoothly because plans and programs that happens before, right?
Presidents, Rotarians from all the clubs, a heartfelt thanks to our President 2025-26, Rotarian Girija Sharda, for your year of dedicated service. Finally, a very special thanks to our installation ceremony chair, past President, Rotarian Archana Sharma and her team for conducting today's installation ceremony with such
for a good health, wealth, prosperity and world peace.
Prosperity, progress, and long life of Rotary International President, Rotarian Olayinka H. Babalola, and all Rotarians around the world.
Happy 22nd Saturday for our countdown. Ready.
वो टिश्यू पेपर तो दे दीजिए ना।
CP.
ये लीजिए, सीपी के लिए तो वो बेटा एकदम